everyone, Merry Christmas and Feliz Navidad. I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating DIYs using all Dollar Tree items, and these are going to be some neutral winter decor. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started now. For the first DIY, I'll be using 2 willow wreaths, and I'll be using the small one and also the larger one. Some Waverly chalk paint in the color white, some burlap ribbon with a chevron print, and also this solid color ribbon, some mini pine cones, some wood stems, an owl Christmas ornament, some cedar picks. I'll also be using 1 green glitter pine, and this is from Walmart. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to start to do is to paint both of my wreaths, and I'm just going to be brushing on the white Waverly paint. I didn't want to paint my wreaths fully, and that's why I decided just to brush on the paint, because I wanted some of that natural willow color to peek through. And I only painted the front side of the wreaths. Okay, so now that I've painted both wreaths, I'm going to let the paint dry. The next thing that I'm going to do is hot glue the smaller wreath onto the bigger one, and I'm just going to be putting it there on the side. Okay, so what I'm doing here is trying to figure out where I want to place this piece of wood, because I want my owl to be sitting on a piece of branch, or it looked that way. Okay, so now I'm ready to hot glue it. I went ahead and I added another piece of wood because I wanted my wood to be a little bit longer. Next, I started adding some more wood stems around the wreath, and I'm only going to be doing this on the smaller wreath. Next, I'm going to start adding the mini pine cones. And now I'm going to add the owl to the center of the wreath. Okay, now to the left side of the larger wreath, I'm going to be layering the cedar picks first, and then I'm going to add the green glitter pine, and then I'll be adding some mini pine cones. So I created 2 bows with the ribbon, and all I did was just pinch the center. I made a larger one with the chevron, and then I made a smaller one with the plain color, and I'm just going to be hot gluing the smaller one onto the bottom bow. The next thing that I did is create some tails for my bows, and I just added both of the ribbons, the solid and the chevron. I'm going to start by first adding the tails onto my wreath, and then I'll put the bow on top. For the next DIY, I'll be using this really pretty glass vase. Now from this cat toy, I'm going to be using the white little fuzzy string. I'll also be using these white branches. Now I purchased these last year at Dollar Tree. I don't have the tag or the name for them. Okay, so I'm going to start painting the jar, and I'm going to be using the apple barrel satin acrylic paint in the color warm buff. I apologize, I did not show the paint. Somehow I thought I had filmed it, but I didn't. I'll be giving it 1 coat of paint and then let it dry and then give it the second coat. Next, I'm going to be taking my sanding block to sand off some of the paint, because I want to give this a distressed look. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using that fuzzy string from that cat toy. So I went ahead and I cut off the string and I cut off the pom-pom. So what I'm going to do is hot glue it around underneath the rim of the vase. And then at the last minute, I decided to add this beaded garland all around the jar. And then lastly, I added the white branches to the vase. I'm going to be using this candle holder that I DIY'd a while back. The vase and the stand are from Dollar Tree. If you want to create this similar vase, you can purchase this clear candle holder from the Dollar Tree and also the clear long vase, and then just super glue them together just like this. You can either spray paint the candle holder or leave it as is clear. It really doesn't matter. It's to your liking. I'll be using these LED lights, but the first thing that I'm going to do is remove these silver balls from these string lights and then add them to those other LED lights. So all I did is just pull the ball out, and then it has this little holder, and then I just insert it into the other LED lights as I'm showing you right there. You can create these same glitter plastic balls by using these Dollar Tree ping pongs. All you would need to do is just make a small round hole and then add the glitter to the ping pong and then insert the ball into the LED lights, just like I'm inserting them there. Okay, so now all I do is just add my string of lights into my vase, just like so. Next, I added these sticker snowflakes to the front of the vase. And this is how the vase turned out. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. Have a Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless.